here's the question for Christians who buy into the millions of years. Is God going to restore things back to millions of years of death and suffering? That's the question that you have to face.
Of course, that doesn't make sense. One option would be to allegorize the concept of a new heavens and a new earth, just as is done with Genesis 1.
Right. Yep.
But you got to wonder then, why bother being saved? Because you can't really be sure of what the future state, you can't really have any real hope. What's to look forward to? The new heaven and earth doctrine only makes sense within a creation, fall, restoration framework. If God created a perfect world with no sin or death, it makes sense that God will restore it to a perfect world with no sin and no death. But every old earth or evolutionary view puts death before Adam was created. So to some extent, it makes death part of God's originally very good creation, which just doesn't make sense at all.
The Bible tells us exactly what we have to look forward to when we trust in Jesus for eternal life. We have eternal life in a perfect resurrected body, in a physical restored body, in a perfect sinless fellowship with God.